Good afternoon, students. Chapter 15. Next topic: Emergence of Vietnamese nationalism. Emergence means development or rise. How was the Vietnamese nationalism developed? We'll study now. Vietnamese teachers and students did not blindly follow the syllabus given by the French. Sometimes they were opposed openly. At other times, there was silent resistance. As the numbers of Vietnamese teachers increased in the lower classes, it became very difficult to control what was actually taught in classes. While teaching, Vietnamese teachers silently modified the text and criticized what was stated in the textbook. Vietnamese government not allowed the Vietnamese qualifying persons to join the professional jobs in Vietnam. That's why Vietnamese students fought against the colonial government's efforts to prevent the Vietnamese. Vietnamese teachers and students inspired by patriotic feelings, and they thought that it was the duty of the educated people to fight for the benefit of the society. This patriotic feeling brought them into conflict with the French as well as the traditional elite. Elite means upper class. A person who is playing a dominant role in a social, economical and political sphere in the society. He is called as elite. In Vietnam, some of the Vietnamese played a dominant role. They were ruled the Vietnamese people. With the French rulers and traditional elites, Vietnamese educated people fought. Since both the rulers afraid of their positions, by the 1920s, students were forming various political parties and publishing nationalist journals. For example, Young Annam is the political party and Annam Student is the nationalist journal run by the students. Once you memorize the Indian freedom movement, some of the newspapers, some of the poets inspired the people to participate in a Indian freedom movement with the objective of drive out the French from Vietnam, overthrow the puppet emperor and re-establish the Nguyen dynasty. Many of the students went to Japan to acquire modern education in early 20th century. Before the arrival of the French, Nguyen was ruled Vietnam. When French came to Vietnam, they were overthrown the Nguyen and established their power. That's why Vietnamese students wanted to restore the Nguyen.